I'm Shantek, and today I'll be showing you how to set up and use my Minecraft Java Post Office plugin. The plugin is made for Bucket, Spigot, Paper, and Purpur servers and is easy to set up. It turns your barrels into a functional post office system for your players. To get started, you'll find the download link in the video description. Then we'll head to the server control panel. First, make sure your server is offline. Then in the plugins folder, we'll upload our post office jar file. Then we can boot up the server. Now that our server's rebooted, we'll take a look at the config files. So in our plugins folder, we'll head to post office. Barrels.yml is managed completely by the plugin, so you should never need to touch this. We'll open up the config file. This is pretty well documented, so have a read through to see what each thing does, but the main things you need to know: custom barrel name. When using a command to register the postbox, this is what the barrels will be renamed to. And the other important thing is the built-in postbox protection. So you could disable this if you rely on WorldGuard, otherwise you can use the built-in system. We'll take a look at the lang file. Everything that the plugin sends to the player is customizable in the lang file. Now that we've made any changes we want to our config and our lang files, we'll jump into game. All these commands we run as a server operator. So to start off, we'll reload the config file and the lang file. Now for any postbox that we want to set up, we'll place down a barrel and a sign on the front. Then while looking at the sign, we'll type in post office register. We'll do the same for all of these. Now these have been registered in the barrels.yml file, ready to be claimed by our players. If you want to set these up for your own players, looking at the sign, typing in post office, claim, and then the player name. Each player can only have one postbox registered in the plugin. If you want to give your players permission to claim their own postboxes, you can give them the shantek.postoffice.claim permission node. You can then head into your post office, look at a sign, and use the post office claim command, claim their own postbox. Now you can open their postbox, leave them some mail. They'll have the notification pop up on their sign and in-game if they're online. Hope you found this tutorial useful. If there are other tutorials that you want to see, then let me know in the comments. Also, be sure to check out my Discord to see what I'm working on or to share your plugin ideas. If you like testing the latest and the greatest, you can follow the link to my Jenkins server in the video description. Here I have dev builds of all of my Minecraft plugins.